Hi, my name is Bina, and I'm just here putting this out so people know about Scott Jansen and his programs, which are called Masters Advanced Conversational Hypnotherapy, which is also known as MACH, and Advanced Conversational Hypnotherapy, which is ACH. His programs are just absolutely fantastic. I started out a few years ago, and it's been absolutely huge for me. Scott is is impeccable in his teachings, but he also gives away so much. He's there to guide you, support you, and he's done that for me and others. And I know that is so valuable to me, because when I first started, I thought, can I do this? And he was there supporting me, saying, you've got this, you can do this. And sure enough, I feel like I'm amazing at it. I've helped my clients, and I've worked with so many clients, and honestly, I can say my conversion's been 100% on the fact that I've been able to help them and guide my clients and change their lives. And for me, that's the most important thing right now, is changing people's lives. There's so much going on in the world, and when, as therapists, we can help them. Using this modality has definitely done it for me. And Scott, it's just, not just the programs that he's created for us, but just to know that he's there for you and he's very direct. And I love that, because you know exactly where you stand with him. He's helped me through things. If I'm stuck with something, I can approach him. He's very approachable. And also the method that I use, it's just like having a conversation with your friend, and they're so calm and relaxed. And I've noticed, because I worked with anxiety, trauma, and physical issues, chronic issues, a lot of them are quite vigilant, because they're going to flight and fight mode. They just sort of panic. They think, oh my God, I've got to do this, I've got to do that. Whereas this advanced conversational hypnotherapy, that Scott's program, is so good that they're relaxed and they're calm, because you're just speaking to them, asking them certain questions, and getting them to get into the root and cause, and empowering them to knowing that, oh my God, I have never felt this good. And I've had clients say to me, why haven't I found you years ago? I've struggled all my life, and thank God that you've done this. And they're so grateful that I'm there to help others, because it's life-changing. And that's what I'm interested in, is getting the results. And that's what Scott focuses on, is each and every one of us gets the results, and we do. And I really feel that I'm ever so grateful to Scott. So Scott, thank you so much. And if you're considering going into a program, do this Scott Jansen's program, ACH, MACH, the best. Thank you so much again, Scott.